Okay, so today we're going to work with the elements of art. And the elements of art are all of the different things that art is made up of. All of the basic things like line, color, value, the lightness or darkness of a color, space, when you see background, foreground, middle ground, shape, form, and you'll notice that shape's flat, it's two-dimensional, and then when you move to form and you start drawing form, it's going to be, you're going to see sides to it, and it's 3 dimensions. You've got texture, when you can make something look furry. You can make it look rough. You can make it look soft. So what you're going to do today is I want you to pick 3 of these words and use them in your artwork. You can work in your sketchbook. You can work on a separate sheet of paper. You can use any medium that you would like. And I just want you to start, as soon as you start drawing, you're automatically using line. So there's line, there's shape, that's 2. Another shape. I put a horizon line, now I've got space. If I put trees back here, I can add to that space. Trees in the background are smaller than the trees in the foreground, which are closer to you. I don't know what else to put in this. Detail. More detail. Things are always outlined. Texture. Now I already have, and do feel free to label what you have. So I've got line, I have shape, I already have texture. Label as many as you see. When I go to color it in, When I start coloring it in, I'll have color. And I'll end up having value with the color. I can see background here, middle ground, foreground. So now I have space. You can almost use all of them, but you don't have to. Just try to use as many as you can. Here's my color, and then I'm just gonna color it in. Covering all the white paper. Now remember, you can do any kind of drawing that you want. You don't have to copy Miss Leash. I'm going to color this in with squigglies, and this is going to create texture. If I did a darker green in the background, that would make that tree in the background be more in the background and push it back further. So there's my value. I've got light green and dark green. I can do the same thing with the mountains. Maybe the mountains out front are a lighter blue or purple than the mountains in the background. The farther away, the darker they would be. And there I've got color value again. This Leash is rushing and she's getting outside the lines. Oops. We always want to take our time. Do a pink one. Now the whole sky's blue, not just the very top of the sky. I get that a lot. They do the top of the sky and then I think they're done. But the whole sky, all the way down to the mountains and to around the clouds, all of that's blue. overlapping. The mountain is in front of the cloud that's overlapping, if you guys remember that. It shows space when you overlap things. Of course, I'm gonna leave the crayons white. There's value again. If I use the black lightly, it's a lighter black or gray. And then I want the tires to be really dark. So I push harder. And that's some color value. All right, so there you go. These are your elements of art.